Alright, for today's video, I'm going to be back on the coupe here. I'm going to take off some of the front end stuff. I'm going to pull the fenders, hood, whatever's left of the front buckets there. And then I'll start disassembling engine bay to get ready to pull the driveline out. And after that, then it'll be suspension, but I won't get to that today. I'm just going to see how far I can get today. I'm going to pull the front end off at least, work on some of the engine bay. I don't know if I'll get the engine out, but it needs to go up on jack stands, pull transmission. So let's get started. I'm picking back up here on another day. Gonna go ahead and pull out the Driveline so I can get the car back on the ground, roll it out and move it. So you can see I put it up on jack stands, but took the wheels off just to make it so I can get it underneath there, take the transmission out, and then I'll pull the engine out through. But I got to take off the exhaust too because it has that on. So yeah, just basically gonna go in that order. Gonna go underneath, pull the transmission as long as the flywheel turns over, and then I'll yank the engine out the front. Got the engine hoist ready, and then we'll check out, see if we can see anything damage hidden in the areas there that I can't see. So let's pull this apart. All right, so I cleaned everything up, put everything away, got it on 4 wheels, and I moved it, and I had to move stuff around because I got to work on my truck here. But everything's pulled out for the most part, aside from whenever I come back and I'll do suspension next. I'll rip out front, back suspension, the gas tank, and I still have the gas line in. But after that, that's pretty much as far down as I'll take it. I'll pull out the heater box because that will need rebuilt, steering box, so I can clean everything up properly. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything went pretty smooth. All the bolts had a bunch of oil and grease residue on it, so everything came out real easy, so it was really nice. But there's the engine now. I got it on a stand, and I actually checked it over, looked at the numbers on the bottom of the block, which is on the passenger side up in there, which you probably can't see it now, but I decoded it, and it's actually a 302 out of a 71 car. So I didn't expect it to be the original 289. I was skeptical on it anyway, but all the parts on the top side actually read right. The intake is actually 66. That has the right date code on it. It actually has the ID tag still on it there. So just looking at the top side, it looked like it could be right, but yeah, it was swapped out before for a 302, so I'm fine with that. It's pretty much all the same. Just gonna clean it up, re-gasket everything, paint it before I drop it back in. So that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, the next one that you'll probably see on this is it getting the suspension taken off of it, and then I'll be diving into the sheet metal where I'll fix the floor pans and some of the small rust spots, and then it'll be putting it back together after that. So looking forward to starting getting it together to be able to drive it. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.